Welcome to Ms. Huong English class.
Grade 5 Global Success. Unit 3, My Foreign Friends. Topic, talk about your foreign friend.
Hello everyone. My name's Suri. Today, I want to introduce my new foreign friend. Her name's Sumi. She's Japanese. She lives with her parents and her younger sister in Hunan. She's in grade 5. She has long hair, big eyes, and a round face. She's an active girl. She likes playing sports. She is really good at badminton and swimming. She's a helpful girl. At school, she loves helping her classmates. At home, she always helps her mother look after and play with her younger sister. She also washes the dishes after dinner. She's also a friendly girl. She likes making new friends. She has a lot of friends. She usually smiles at everyone. Everyone loves Sumi. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Goodbye.